Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Tuesday, the 12th of July. This is our daily recap. I'll put that out for free. Hey, I'll be on Twitter Spaces tonight at TrendSpider. You can catch a link off my Twitter feed as well, talking about some names I like moving forward into the end of the year. Let's talk about today, guys, and this week. We've had very, very low volume. We gapped down, we pushed up, we went green, and now we've rolled over here in the last 20 minutes or so, and we put a new low of the day in. And there's no volume. Yeah, there was a little volume here. They finally found some stops, some sell programs that triggered by hitting it. But really what's going on here is the market wants to stop everybody out to the up and downside ahead of CPI tomorrow. You can see here volume right now with less than an hour to go is 36 million shares. There's absolutely nothing going on. So what we do have tomorrow is we have, all right, and lost both of those. Fabulous. I don't know why this is happening. We have CPI tomorrow, and here's what you need to know, right? 1.1 is expected, 1% last time. Core is the big number, 0.5%, 0.6 last time. A good core number will make up for the rest of them. They want to see core dropping because core represents taking out fuel and food. If you get a high core number, the market's probably going to dump. We'll see how this plays out. The other thing you have going on, and just to fast forward for the rest of the week, and I do this for my members all the time, is after tomorrow, we have PPI final on Thursday, retail sales on Friday. That's a huge number. And then earnings start on Thursday morning as well, when we have the first of the big banks start to report. So, the market has a lot to look forward to. Today has been a whole mess around nothing. You can see the only flow I noted today was Apple, the 150 calls. There was volume in that. But overall, the market here, very weak. Look at crude. Crude is getting hammered today, beaten up. Bonds today were up a little bit, not doing a ton, but some strength. UUP, the dollar, also held in, still holding up very, very strong here, the market watching that. But today was about Apple. I traded Apple multiple times today, coming way off now, but Apple gave some trades here. You had the first opening trade, which was nice, and it reloaded a couple of times until it finally popped to 148.45 and rolled over. Nice moves on that. The other one today that was very good was Boeing. Yes, I'm probably the only idiot that lost money on Boeing today. Why? Because I chased into one of these little candles right here, and it pulled back 50 cents and knocked me out for a small loss, and then it took up and ramped. Boeing was up all morning on expected delivery numbers. The numbers were good. I thought they were good, but it popped and yanked and took me right out of it. That said, you have a big breakout candle here on Boeing, pushed all the way up to the top of the range, broke out and right back at it now. And this candle here, we'll keep an eye on this tomorrow, 147.18, if we can get a push higher. Everything else today, guys, was just the financials pushed early and have come all the way back in. There just wasn't a lot of strength out there. Amazon Prime Day going on, getting killed today, failed at the 50-day and rolled over today, weak all day. Microsoft laying off 1% of their employees, less. Absolutely terrific down candle here, nothing going on there. Google with the stock split on Friday is doing nothing. The semis tried to wake up a little bit but couldn't move. Micron was one of the few names there, very strong and just coming in now into late in the day. So tomorrow's number is going to be big. Whatever we get tomorrow morning, which really may decide where this market wants to go. If we get a sign that inflation is peaking and cooling off, the market may rally like mad. If we get a very hot number, especially on core, the market may finally dump. My opinion is this: I don't care which way we go as long as we get out of this stuck trend. Then again, when you look at the SPY chart, we are still trading between these two gaps for over 3 weeks now, 370.20 and 395.95. I would even take a move to test one of these at this point. But we're trading so sideways and so weakly, we can't even get out of our own way in this market. So with that said, post a link later. I'll be on TrendSpider tonight with their spaces, and I hope to catch you guys all later and have a great night and catch you in the morning.